Hey guys, I'm Brandon Livermore.
And I'm Andy Roos.
We're from the Elite Team and we're here to show you 4139 Peruvian Drive.
This house features over 3,300 square feet of large living space. The living room is an open floor plan with 12-foot high ceilings. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, 2 of which are master suites.
And let's not forget the backyard, which features a pool with water slide, as well as a fireplace.
Thank you for viewing this video. For more information on this listing and others, please contact the Elite Team at Realty One Group Mountain Desert.
Like our Facebook page and our Instagram page for this house and many others just like it.